Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see stocks for tomorrow, 12th May 2021. So the first stock is Siemens. Uh, Siemens we have to buy above 1968. And second stock is IRCTC, which we have to buy above 1820. We'll keep stop loss around 1790. Then we have Camcon. Camcon you can buy above 470 and try to buy this in cash. Even for intraday, you can go with cash. In MIS, buy less quantity, and you can buy for swing as well. And if it sustains above 470, then it is good to move. Then we have Ingersoll Rand, and the candle tells this is quite volatile stock. So buy in cash again, and you can book if there is some momentum. So we actually try to buy stocks where they can give a good momentum. So that's why we see many times the stock goes and make a leak and then fall, like it did here. So that's how we trade. So we'll buy above 805, keep stop loss around 790, and buy in cash. If doing intraday, buy less quantity. Then we have Virla Corp. I will reduce this to you. Virla Corp, we have to buy above 1015. Stop loss will keep around 995. I use daily closing as stop loss if it is nearby. If it is too far, then I use intraday chart. And that 995 level, that also I can change if I see some support in intraday. Then I can change the stop loss. Next stock is Polycab. This is also a very volatile stock. So we have to buy this above 1585. Stop loss 1550 will keep. So 35 points risk. Or else we will check this in intraday on 5-minute chart. Then we have Hudson Agro. Hudson we can buy above this 1852.53 or this 865. We have two levels. Safe is this, or you can buy this, and yes, and try to buy in cash. Though they are in intraday, so I kept in this MIS is available, so I've given green symbol, but you can buy them in cash. Then we have Supreme Industry. Supreme Industry, it has given this, like you see last time when it broke, it moved up to till 2173 but closed below. So these stocks, they give this momentum. That's what we have to play for. Then we have to buy this above 2225. Next stock is AVFRL. AVFRL, though it's not very good setup, it is continuously falling, but it is kind of halted. You can take risk above 185. And we have IX. IX you can buy a 406. This is too volatile stock. For me it is, like whenever I trade, seems like very volatile. You can buy this above 406, keep strict stop loss around 401. Then we have KRBF. I kept in cash stocks because buy this in cash only. And we'll buy above this above 226. And if I draw this TL considering the two nodes, it can make a third contact here. So many times I draw a trend line using the two highs and expect the third high can be on this trend line. So this can be work as our target around 230. It's not necessary it will take resistance here. It may take. Then we have Sovent Pharma as usual taking support. I think if it breaks down, then it will go downside. Then we have Odisha Mine. So these are cash stocks. So the first stock is Swain Pharma if it keeps breakout. Otherwise, Odisha Mine. Let's see if this time it breaks this. We have to buy about 2800, buy less quantity, and if sustained, you can carry that in swing as well. But most probably, I think if it gives breakout, it will give good move or it will fail. So I think only that carry. And we have Prince Pipe. Prince Pipe, the setup looks very good. You can buy about 600. Then we have some stock, Awesome Enterprise. I don't know how is the stock, but the chart pattern looks good. So we can buy this above 68.5. It may take resistance around this gap 70.2. Then we have to buy Force Motor. We can buy Force Motor continuously falling. Not a very good uh, pattern. 1 week. If we can see if it gives some spike around or moves quickly. Above 1240. Giant Agro. Uh, Giant Agro we can buy above this. This has given the breakout here. I traded this, but I exited. So in swing, if it gives good move, I don't carry stop. I exit because then they can halt or they can even come for pullback. So this is what happened. It came for pullback now again. So I can buy again. Why to block money and time there on one particular stock? So now you can buy if you are risky there. You can buy here. You have to check intraday chart. You can buy around 187, 88. This 188, or you buy a high 195. This is Jayant Agro. So these are the stocks. And why I keep so many stocks, and they are mix of MIS and cash stocks. So and at one time I trade only one stock, maximum two stocks, and like two cash stocks or one cash, one MIS. But I don't trade two MIS at same time. I trade only one MIS. There can be two cash stock or one MIS, one cash stock. So and many of them will be gap down or gap up. So those we have to avoid. Suppose you woke up late 10:30, 11 o'clock. So many of them will be discarded. And what I do, I first check stock which is giving breakout. I took entry. After that, I don't see other stocks what they are doing. Maybe I can check one cash stock or one MIS. And then when I finish my trade in those stocks, suppose I finish my one MIS stock, then I check other. So that's how the list get filtered in live market. And few other stocks where breakout level is far. So what I do, like around 11, 12 o'clock or anytime when I finish my trades and all the stocks has given breakout or made some big failed rejection or they are gap down or they are falling. So what I do, and then I check the stocks where the breakout level is far, but uh, they have now trading near to breakout level. So once I finish, then I check those stuff and I check for 5 minutes chart and I see if there is any pattern. Then I trade in that. I know there is a breakout level on daily chart nearby. So it might go there, take resistance, or it can break also. So the reward can be good. So we have few more stocks. Vankeys is a good chart pattern. I think it can move there, but it has moving like yesterday's candle 5%. It is moving from directly from there, and it didn't consolidate in your breakout level. So that's why it may be risky. That's why I kept here. Then buy this above 1802. These stocks you can keep in radar. Breakout level is little bit far. Like Iris has given breakout holding here 685. Radico is 584, and Carber unit. So these stock I will check in live market. If I don't find, like suppose many stocks given breakout or already gap up. Torrent Pharma. It is a trend line. You can buy this at 2800. Same Alchem Lab. It can break its high. So we can buy Alcan Lab above 136, 126, okay, 3126, and we can keep this Cinderella camps if it breaks out. Currently price is down, but these stocks can any day they can break. So this is how these are the stocks which we have to track for tomorrow. And the stocks which are near breakout, we regularly track them. So it becomes our habit. Like we are kind of familiar with those stocks, and it's easy to catch. And in live market, suppose I saw this stock is near breakout. So what I do, I open investing.com and I open multiple charts and then I track. You can add six stocks also because you just have to track levels. Now you know charts. You can uh, even do eight stocks also. So this is how you just wait and you apply all the charts here. Okay guys, this is for today. Thank you everyone.